Okay, now we are on to the practice part. This is page 2 of the notes. So remember, our formula for the volume is volume equals big B times H, and that big B is the area of the base. So that is little b, the base of the base, I know, confusing, and height. So we're gonna look at a few of these problems together, and then I will include the answers if you want to try any of these on your own. Let's look at example 1. So we have a rectangular prism with 6, 8, and 4. We want to find the volume. So first we need to find big B, the area of the base. So the base in this case has a length of 8 and a width of 4, or a base of 8 and a height of 4. So I'm going to write over to the side, big B would be 8 times 4. So the area of our base is 32. Then going to the volume equation, volume is big B, which we figured out is 32, times height. So now I just need to do 32 times 6 to figure out my volume. And when I do that, I get 192 units, sorry, they didn't tell me a measurement here, units cubed. Oh, it does tell me. These are all in centimeters. So either way, centimeters cubed, units cubed, it's really fine. Okay, let's look at 5. That one's a little tricky because they're not giving us any measurements there. So we're gonna have to count. First, I want the area of the base. So I'm gonna look at the bottom of the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units this way and 2 units this way. So I'm gonna draw an arrow over here. My big B, the area of the base, is gonna be 5 times 2 in this case, which is 10. And my volume is going to be 10 times the height. The height of this shape is 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 times 4 is 40. So the volume of this is 40 cubic centimeters. Let's look at the shoebox. That one looks interesting. So we have some clear shoebox here. We are going to first find the area of the base of this shoebox, which has a base of 16 and a height of 8, or a length of 16 and a height of 8. So we need to do 16 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So our big B in this case is 128. And to get volume, we're going to take that big B and multiply it with the height, which they've shown us is 10. So our volume will be 128 times 10. Remember, the equation is big B times H. And 128 times 10, we should know our trick by now. We can just add a 0 to it. Volume is 1,280 cubic centimeters. Okay, this will be our last one that we do. Let's do the dice over here. So a dice is actually a cube, or maybe it's die, I should be saying, but it is a cube in shape, meaning all the sides are the same. So if you think about that cube, the base of it is a square. So when we look at big B, it's going to be side times side, or side squared. Each side is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so the area of the base is 4. And then the height, again, is 2. So our volume is going to be 4 times 2, which is 8. So the volume of this is 8 cubic centimeters. Okay, I'm going to give you the answers to the rest really quick. If you would like to pause right now and try to work them out, that would be a good plan. I'm not going to work out every single one just because I know you guys probably don't want to listen to me on this video forever. But really quickly, this one would be 64 cubic centimeters, 1,188 cubic centimeters, 2,250, 216. I'm going to stop labeling. I know that's kind of bad, but it's okay. 40, 20 cubic centimeters, 30 cubic centimeters, and 80 cubic centimeters. Okay, I hope you can join me on Wednesday. We will practice some more in our Zoom meeting. And again, the key with all of this is in your module if you need it. If you missed any part of what I said, go look at that key. You guys have a great week.